Next, match list 1 with list 2. Habitat 67, Falling Water, Grecken Tower and Fisher House. Again, very important and very iconic buildings of that time. Okay, you have to match it with whom? List 2 gives you a list of architects. So who designed for these houses? So one very famous building is the Falling Water, and you should know that Falling Water was designed by F.N. Wright. Okay, so B is 1. Let's see if we can go ahead with elimination method. Yes, option number 3 and option number 4 cannot be correct. We are left with 1 and 2, that is B1. Let's go for the next easiest one, that is Habitat 67, which was constructed by Moshe Safdie. Okay, so A is 2. In option A and in option 1 and 2, we have option number 1, which is correct. A is 2. Next, Grecken Tower was designed by Norman Foster and Fisher House was designed by Louis Kahn.